Hello, this is Dr. Vikram from Body Sculpt. Greetings from my side. Today we are going to discuss about hair transplant and the causes of hair fall. Hair fall is the most common problem with which the patients come to us in today's clinic. This was considered natural earlier, but now with the remedies with us, we can really prevent your hair loss as well as give you new hair which keep on growing for life with some techniques which we do. The most common cause of hair transplant, it is basically genetic, or it could be nutritional, or it could be the natural causes which are causing some effect on the roots of the hair. That could be nutritional, environmental, toxicity in the air, the sudden change of temperatures, or dandruff, etc. Once we know what is the cause of that, if we prevent that, further hair loss can be prevented. Apart from that, for the routine patients who are suffering from major hair loss, let us say after pregnancy, or maybe after a bad diet or a stressful phase in your life, you start having hair fall, we can modify your hair's nutrition by some supplements and local applications which regrow your hair. Once you've lost all your roots, it becomes difficult for us to rejuvenate them from the root level to the natural hair growth which normally a person would be showing. In those cases, we have an option of hair transplant. We are doing the latest technique, the FUE, which doesn't leave a major scar on your back. And these hair which are implanted, they start growing within 3 to 4 months. And by the end of the 8 to 9 months or a year, you have a head which is full of hair. And the nutrition and the diet which is recommended for good hair should be rich in iron, should be rich in green leafy vegetables, antioxidants, calcium, amino acids. If you can't consume a lot of food because of your calorie limitation, which again is a big problem these days, then we have supplements which we can prescribe you after getting your vitamin levels tested, after getting your iron level tested, and other blood levels tested. If you have any deficiency, that can be taken care of. The techniques which we are routinely doing, as I discussed earlier, the FUE technique is also supplemented by FUT technique. Then we have other techniques which are there in the market like Fox, the DHI, the Flute. These are all similar in nature in that we are implanting the roots into your scalp which is devoid of the roots, or the roots which have fallen off. Under microscope, the roots are dissected or they are extracted depending on the technique. In FUE, what we are doing, we extract the technique with specialized machines and punches. These roots are then segregated depending on how many roots are there in each root unit or the follicular unit. Then they are implanted to create a natural design of your hairline on your scalp. You might require a dressing for a day or so, and after that, the scabs are washed off by 8 to 10 days. Once these are washed off, you have a natural look back again, and these hair, they will fall off initially but would start growing within 3 to 4 months, and you don't require any extra care. You can wash them naturally, they will keep on growing naturally. You can color them after they've grown properly, you can shampoo them, you need to trim them as per your natural hair requirements.